students. Today I have selected topic chemical coordination from chapter number 3, class 10, subject Zoology. I am Sherman. So today we will discuss about chemical coordination. The chemical coordination means coordination with the help of chemicals. And there are two types of coordination. One is chemical coordination and other is nurse coordination. Nurse coordination, in which nervous system or nurse coordination or electrochemical coordination. Electrochemical coordination, it is due to neurons or due to electrochemicals, but in chemical coordination only chemicals are involved. There are many chemicals, but we are restricted here hormone. Hormone is a chemical. The definition of a hormone is it is a chemical. These are the chemical secretions. These are the chemicals, they are secreted from endocrine glands. Now endocrine glands, they are called ductless glands. They are called ductless glands. There are many kinds of endocrine glands. One is the hypophysis, second is pituitary gland, third is thyroid gland, and fourth is parathyroid gland. There is another gland called adrenal gland. It is located on the kidney, pineal gland, and many glands, many endocrine glands there are present. So in this topic we are only restricted here. This is the definition of the hormone. So hormones are those chemicals, they are secreted only from the endocrine glands, and they are called ductless glands because they have no ducts, they have no tubes. Their secretion goes to blood. Their secretion goes to direct in blood stream. And there are two types of glands. One is exocrine gland and other is endocrine gland. Endocrine gland is that their secretion goes to the blood, and from the blood it goes to the target cell. Hormones, they always perform their function, their job in a target way. Now, types of hormones. There are three types of hormones: peptide hormones, modified amino acid hormones, steroid hormones. Peptide hormones made of short or long chain of amino acids. Examples: antidiuretic hormone ADH, oxytocin hormone, insulin, glucagon, etc. Modified hormones: thyroxine, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and so. Steroid hormones. Steroid means fat. They are made up of fats. They have fat. They are the derivatives of fat. Estrogen, these are also called sex hormones. They help in the secondary sexual characteristics, either in male or in either female. So these are the types of hormones. Now, action of hormone. How hormones work. How this type of secretion work, how hormones work on target cells. There are two models, two hypotheses for the mode of action of hormones. One model is for non-steroid hormones, means it is for peptide or for modified amino acid hormones, and other model is for steroid hormone. First model for non-steroid hormone. In this hormone, what happens in this action of hormone? What happens? There are receptors. There are special proteins. They receive the hormones. They receive where they receive the hormones. They receive at the plasma of the cell membrane. I told you that hormones, they work on target cells. Suppose this is a hormone This is the peptide hormone. When it works on a target cell, first of all it will be received by some special type of proteins called receptors and the cell membrane. Means receptors are present in the cell membrane, and second messenger is involved in this mode of action of hormones. This is for the non-steroid hormones. What happens in this? This is a hormone. When it attaches to the receptors, there is an enzyme called adenylate cyclase. It is an enzyme. What is the function of this enzyme? This enzyme converts ATP into cyclic AMP. Now ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. It is mononucleotide triphosphate. It means it is energy rich compound, and when ATP converts into CAMP. Now C means cyclic, AMP means adenosine monophosphate, and this is a secondary messenger, or this is a second messenger. First messenger is hormone, and it is received by the receptor. Then there is a secondary receptor or second messenger, not a receptor but a messenger, secondary messenger that will activate enzymes. Secondary messenger that will activate enzymes. So this is the model for the non-steroid hormones, and we have another model that is for steroid hormones. Means it is for the estrogen and progesterone hormone. Model for the steroid hormone, receptors are in cytoplasm. It means there are no receptors, and this is the plasma membrane and adenylate, and there are no receptors. What happens in the second mode of what happens in the second mode of our model for steroid hormone, mode of action of hormones? This is hormone. It enters into the cytoplasm. Then it means its receptors. There are no receptors present. This is a hormone. It enters into the cytoplasm. There are no receptors present in the cell membrane, but they are present in the cytoplasm. This is the receptor. This model is only for steroid hormone, means for estrogen and progesterone hormone, and there are only receptors present in the cytoplasm. Then these receptors they will enter into, means hormone will enter into the nucleus of the cell, where DNA is activated and enzymes will be formed. Enzymes are formed. Then enzymes will be formed, and in this way the further metabolic reaction of body will take place, and further processes of the hormone or the processes of the chemical coordination will take place.